昨晚我们玩得太嗨了。
Oh, what did you guys do?
我们就在家里打牌，超级好玩的。今天你有空吗？一起嗨呀！一起嗨呀！
Hello everyone, welcome back to ShuoshuoChinese. 说说中文 I'm Shuo, your Chinese native speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand. In today's video, we're going to talk about 7 English words that Chinese people, especially young people, use on a daily basis. Among these 7 words, 3 of them have pretty much the same meanings and usages as they are in English. 2 of them are a bit similar to English, and another 2 of them have nothing to do with their English meanings. But all the words I'm going to mention today in this video have one thing in common, is that all of them are used so frequently in colloquial Chinese. So it will be extremely helpful if you know these words. Also, I have mentioned some other English words used in Chinese context in this video. Check it out if you're interested. So without further ado, let's get started.
Hey Shuo, how do you say gay in Chinese?
Gay.
Oh, so you just use the English word? So how do you say I'm gay? 我是 gay. Do you have any other ways of using it?
Yes. 这个人为什么看起来 gay gay 的呀？
哎，这个人为什么看起来 gay gay 的呀？
我从来没去过 gay 吧。
好啊好啊，我从来没去过 gay 吧。
我从来没看过 gay 片。
我从来没看过 gay 片。
我的 gay 答还可以吧？
我的 gay 答还可以吧？Hey Shuo, how do you describe this kind of bags? We say bling bling. Can you put it in a sentence?
我觉得你这件衣服比较适合那种 bling bling 的包包。
我觉得你这件衣服比较适合那种 bling bling 的包包。
我想做一个 bling bling 的指甲。
我想去做一个 bling bling 的指甲。
The third word that has the same meaning in English is get. For example, 我有点 get 不到这个电影。
我有点 get 不到这个电影啊。
Get 不到 is a verb plus result complement structure, and it means I can't get it. 我还是 get 不到你的点。
我还是 get 不到你的点。
我跟你讲个笑话，不知道你 get 不 get 到。
我跟你讲一个笑话，不知道你 get 不 get 到。
Other than get 到 you can also say get 了 which means I get it or now I understand.
你还没 get 吗？他是 gay。我 get 了。
After talking about the words that have the same meaning as they are in English, let's see some other words. They are changed a little bit in Chinese context, but still have something to do with their English meanings. The first one.
昨晚我们玩得太嗨了。
Oh, what did you guys do?
我们就在家里打牌，超级好玩的。今天你有空吗？一起嗨呀
！Most of the time, like 99% of the situations, when a Chinese person says 我好嗨, they probably just mean that they are excited or they had a lot of fun. 昨天我们玩得太嗨了。We had a lot of fun yesterday. We were pretty excited yesterday. 今晚一起嗨呀！ Let's have fun tonight. 出来嗨呀！ Come out and have fun. And in my personal case, 我每次上课都上得很嗨。I'm pretty excited every time when I teach. Or is it the literal meaning? After talking about high, let's talk about low. What does it mean when someone says 他好 low? He's so low. One of my American students once told me that he thinks that 他好 low is kind of like he's so sick, like he's so cool. but actually in Chinese, the meaning is the opposite. Low in Chinese is kind of like lame, inelegant, not trendy or not fashionable. For example, 他家很大，但是装修有点 low。他家很大，但是装修有点 low。我男朋友喜欢我穿那种很 low 的粉红色的衣服。
我男朋友就是喜欢我穿那种很 low 的粉红色的衣服。
我觉得嘲笑别人的外表真的很 low。我觉得嘲笑别人的外表真的很 low。
我跟你说，我前男友让我把他以前送给我的礼物都还给他。我操，这也太 low 了吧！我跟你说，我前男友让我把他以前送给我的礼物都还给他。我操，这也太 low 了吧！
Finally, we're going to talk about the two words that have nothing to do with their English meanings. Let's see the first one. Flag. So you know that it doesn't mean this kind of flag. Let me give you some scenarios. You can try to guess what does flag mean in Chinese context and leave your guess in the comments.
亲爱的，我绝对不会爱上别人。他这不是立了一个 flag 吧？
The girl in the TV series said that 我绝对不会爱上别人. But what she didn't know was that in the next episode, she would meet someone and fall in love with that person. So it's like she planted a flag when she promised that she would never fall in love with others. But you know, a flag is so unstable. It would fall anytime. So this kind of flag is often seen in TV series. For another example, if a soldier in a TV series says that he would go back to his hometown and marry his girlfriend after the war ends, we, as the audience, kind of have this feeling that the war will not end and he would die. So it's kind of like jinx, or give a hint or a feeling to the audience that something opposite to what the person says will happen. I really don't know if there is an exact English translation. So please let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. Let's see another scenario. 今年我立了3个 flag. 早起、减肥、运动，一个都没实现。You may guess that flag in this scenario means resolution or goal. You are half right. Flag is like goal or resolution, but flag indicates that the goal will not be achieved. As you may know that Chinese people are humble. So when we are setting a goal, we don't want to sound too aggressive, like, I'm gonna get it. Because if eventually we fail, we lose faces. That's why young Chinese people tend to use flag instead of 目标, goals or resolutions. You can use flag like this. 立个 flag. 立个 flag. 立个 flag. 今晚肯定做完这个 PPT. 立个 flag. 今晚肯定做完这个 PPT. 我要做一个一天只看半小时手机的挑战。Flag 立下了，看看我能不能做到。我要做一个一天只看半小时手机的挑战。Flag 立下了，看看我能不能做到。Oh, just a little heads up. Flag in Chinese has no plural. 所以不管你立了多少个 flag, 它都是 flag, 不是 flags. Let's wrap today's video up with this nice and simple word. Up, 主, or just up. Many people have asked me, how do you say influencer in Chinese? Well, we actually have different ways to call an influencer. This kind of influencers, pretty face, nice body, mainly post their beautiful photos on the internet as their content, and sometimes they may sell clothes or beauty product. This kind of influencers, we call them 网红, 网红. And this kind of influencers, also pretty face, also nice body, but it has nothing to do with their content. We call them up 主, who upload videos on social media. Or 博主 for those who write blogs, 微博 aka Chinese Twitter, 小红书 aka Chinese Instagram. Okay, so this is all the content of today's video. I bet you've learned a lot from today's video, so hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. I'm Shuo from 说说中文. I will see you in my next video. 再见!